we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Jan Cedric Elcayo Jr. and today we will discuss the engineering design process. First is understanding the problem. We'll start by identifying and defining the problem that needs to be solved. Second is gathering information and coming up with ideas. After understanding the problem, we'll collect relevant information and brainstorm possible solution. Third is we will making a plan and creating a model. We'll outline a detailed plan and build a prototype or model of proposed solution. Fourth, after testing, we will improve the design. Once the model is built, we'll test it to see how it performs. After testing, we'll refine and improve the design until it works effectively. And lastly, 5. We will build the final product and checking its condition. After improvements, we'll construct the final product and ensure it is a good condition and meets the required standards.
The engineer's mind and attitude are the same, but each new year produces engineers with more and better tools than the year before. In olden days, all the planning and design work was done using pencil and paper. Today, this work is being done by softwares. Today's engineer has more computing power in his cell phone than I had when I first started using computers. So one thing that has advanced engineering every new year practically is the enormous computing power and software available.
The new topic of this presentation is new engineering design. The term new engineering design describes a contemporary methods of creating technical problem-solving strategies. Systematic steps including program identification, criteria, and constraint establishing, brainstorming, prototyping, and testing all parts of this process. Engineers are able to develop more efficiently when their new ideas cooperate. Cutting edges tools like computer-aided designs or ZAD or CAD, 3D printing, and simulations. First off is simulation software. It's a tool to use technical mimic in the real-world settings before creating real-world prototypes. It enables users to test evaluated design system or process in a virtual setting. With advanced simulation and analysis tools, and lead times while enabling increasing flexibility. Customization like precision. Like CNC machining and robotics are revolutionizing products, engineers now design with these processes in mind, allowing the high precision manufacturing at scale and reduces cost.